Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add text in Photoshop or mini way. First of all, create a new layer. Create a new file. Then select text. Right click on your mouse. Type horizontal type tool. Text color black and style. I use Arial black and text size sharp. Okay, and type text. Or Control T, hold Shift or small large. Okay, hold Control, select any object and align center left, up, down, left, right, middle, center. Again, right click on your mouse, vertical type, text, horizontal type, mask tool, text, text, and vertical. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.